This is the Kindle Oasis, which is a terrific e-reader that comes with a sturdy aluminum build, physical buttons to turn the pages, and a large screen. This was my personal favorite e-reader for a long time, but I've owned all the new Kindle models, including the new Kindle Scribe, so I wanted to see if Oasis is still a perfect high-end e-reader, or if you're better off with a competitor. Well, for starters, the Kindle Oasis comes with a sophisticated design that's available in graphite or champagne gold, depending on your preference. It's a little larger and heavier than some other Kindle models, but it's still compact and only weighs about 6.5 ounces, so it's comfortable to hold with one hand, and it has a unique asymmetrical design with a ridge on the back to provide a more ergonomic grip when reading. Another standout feature is the build quality, and it comes with a sturdy aluminum chassis and an IPX8 water resistance rating that can briefly be submerged in water for safe use in the bath or by the pool. On the edges, you get a button to control the power and a port for charging, though it uses micro USB connectivity instead of USB-C. It has a larger panel than previous Kindle models and features a 7-inch 16-level e-ink display that provides more screen space for your favorite books or comics. Despite its larger screen size, it still offers a solid 300 pixel per inch resolution to consistently produce crisp text and sharp graphics. You get 25 integrated LED lights to light the screen more uniformly and deliver enough peak brightness to remain visible in direct sunlight, which is also more than some newer Kindle alternatives, such as the Paperwhite Signature Edition. The screen also offers responsive touch-based inputs, along with two unique physical rubber buttons to quickly turn pages and automatically rotating pages to accommodate your position. You can adjust the color temperature to reduce eye strain when reading in different lighting conditions, or you can conveniently schedule the warmth to shift at sunrise or sunset. It also allows you to change the font size, font face, line spacing, and margins to deliver a more comfortable and accessible reading experience. It's also important to know that despite its larger and brighter screen, it still features good battery life. It can reliably deliver up to 6 weeks on a single charge depending on how often you read. The Oasis comes with Kindle's signature Amazon-centric interface, which provides access to the Kindle Store's comprehensive library of ebooks, comics, and periodicals, and some content recommendations based on what you've read. The interface offers in-depth integration with Amazon's other services, which allows you to download and listen to your favorite audiobooks via Audible, or pair your Goodreads account. You can also get library ebooks from other services such as Overdrive, though it doesn't offer the best support for non-Amazon ecosystems. In addition, it has some useful extra features such as a dictionary for unfamiliar words, an X-ray function for following characters, a highlighter, and the ability to sync progress across multiple devices. It offers snappy performance for an e-reader and can change pages or scroll through menus with minimal lagging. It comes with 8 GB of built-in storage to keep your favorite books accessible, which is enough space for thousands of ebooks or around 35 audiobooks. Or you can opt for the larger 32 GB configuration if you require additional storage space. Like other Kindle models, it doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack or built-in speakers, but it features integrated Bluetooth connectivity, so you can pair wireless headphones or speakers to listen to audiobooks. Even more, it comes with some useful accessibility features, such as a voice view text-to-speech translator. The Kindle Oasis is a great all-around e-reader that's built to last and can consistently provide a luxurious reading experience. It comes with a large and bright screen, adjustable color temperature to remain comfortable over extended periods, and unique page-turning buttons. So it's not difficult to see why it's still such a well-respected and sought-after Kindle option. The Kindle Oasis is a premium option that offers snappy and responsive performance, an extensive content library, and an ergonomic asymmetric design.